So tell me, when you write a story, do you know how the character is going to overcome their obstacles before you write it? If you don't have an outline, you may struggle with this. So make sure, one, that you have an outline, but two, you want to make sure that you have your resolutions and that you know how your story is going to end before you start writing it, because it's so important not to leave your reader with unanswered questions. Those conflicts that you create are very important, but it's more or just as equally important that you give your reader the resolutions to those conflicts that you've created. So don't create questions that don't get answered. Make sure that you give them what they want, and that's usually some sort of a happy ending. Even if it's not happy, they get their questions answered. All right, I am Sydney Brown. Please subscribe.